In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can archive items here in Rocket League. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this will work the exact same on PC and console, but what you're going to want to do is go down to your garage, open this up, and then from here, go ahead and select Manage Inventory. When you open this up, you're going to see all of this different kind of stuff right here. Keep that in mind. This is everything that you currently own. Essentially, hover over whatever it might be. Like, for example, I guess we can go to these cars, find a cool car on here. We'll say this one, right? Essentially, you're going to see a little icon that looks like this. It's like yellow. That's the archive button. So you select the item that you want to archive. You could choose one item or multiple at the exact same time, and then they're going to get moved to your archived items. And to see what you've archived, scroll over all the way on the side and you'll see an archived option. You may have to scroll all the way down, but here's your archive stuff right here. There is no limit to how many items you can archive, so you can organize your inventory however you want in this section, but that is it. That is how you can archive items here in Rocket League. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.